In this video, I'm going to show you how to do an analysis on just a section or portion of the project schedule. And the example I'm going to use, we're going to focus on this column here, which is text 1, the PMBOK knowledge area. And we just want to focus on this one section, initiating, which contains project stakeholder management and project integration management. I've inserted the WBS column, and you can actually see that there's a very quick way to select this section, and it's pretty much any task that starts with 2 in the WBS. So 2, 2.1, etc. Once we get to 3, we're in the planning phase. Okay, so the way to do this is I'm going to have to jump into Analyzer and do a couple of things. So here we go. First thing I'm going to do is create a project filter. So the way that I do that is I go into Configure in the Filter Builder. Okay, and this is going to, I'm going to click the New button, and I'm going to give it a name, and I'm going to call this Initiating Phase. It's very important to give it a name or you won't be able to select it. Next thing I'm going to do is pick a field, and the field that I'm picking is WBS, and we're going to use this operator called starts with, and then I'm going to do a 2 and a dot. Okay, I will add that, and now it looks right. I have my filter, I've named it Initiating Phase, and I click OK. The second thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create a report just to show you that it's working. And so very quickly I'm going to add a scorecard. Okay, I'm going to rename that scorecard first thing to be task accounts. And again, this is just going to show you that it's working. And I'm going to go down to the statistical, and I'm going to select all of those. So we have a count here of effort, tasks, milestones, summaries, etc. And so again, the point of this is just so that you can see that it's working. So here I have a project schedule that I've renamed to PMBOK Global Prefilter. And as you can see in the Global Prefilter section, I don't have any global prefilters selected. So let's very quickly run this. And without pre-filters, we're going to see how many milestones, how many effort tasks. So we have 102 effort tasks, that looks right, 42 summary tasks, 20 milestones. Okay, jumping into the project, we can see that we have, looks like if we look at the duration, there's definitely 7 effort tasks. There's 1, 2, 3 milestones. So you can see that we should get much smaller numbers when we run this report with the global prefilter active. So how do we set it? We go back into the project settings. We click SPA filter, and I pick, there it is, initiating phase, and I run that report. And if it's working, which it is, I can see 7 effort tasks, 3 milestones, 2 summary tasks. So this is an example of how to run an analysis on just a portion of the schedule, and because you can set it up with filters, there's really almost an infinite number of ways that you can slice and dice the project file. And that's it. Thank you.